Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, Thursday, October the 5th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. Three puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, and the Sudoku with 4 stars. This will be number 7218. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. Yeah, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. 4 stars has always 24. And but you cannot always say that difficulty level. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. For example, yesterday, well, we have not a lot of pairs or hidden numbers, and I've solved this puzzle in 12 minutes or 30 minutes. So you cannot tell. Sometimes you have troubles and need more time for solving that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3, 4 ones. Alright. We have here 3 twos, 3 threes, 2 fours, 1 5, 2 fives, 6, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 sevens, 3 eights, 1 9. Alright. Let me see. So let's get started. Can I start with 1? Yeah, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in this column, the 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in the middle column, the 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 in the second row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be here. Okay. No. No. 5. 3. 2. About the 8 then. 8. 8. 8. But the 6 then. 6. I'm scanning. 6. 6. Wow. 639. I need a 2 here. Yeah. We have pair. The 2 and the 7 in this column. 2 and the 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Three missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers an 8. We have 8 in this last row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. Only place level 8 should be there. You need an 8. Need an 8 there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this column. So no 2 and a 5 in these two boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So what are the other numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be and a 7 goes there. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be a 2 and more. That box will be a 2. This box will be a 7 then. Alright. So 2 numbers left. The 6 and a 9 in this row. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Alright. And now 3, 3. Yeah. 7, 7. About the 4 then. The 5 here. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Yeah. 2, 8, no, 2, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5. 3, 8, 7, 3, 8, 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And over 3 and 8 in this column. No 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this row for number 7. Alright. So we have a 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7. Should be there, 7. Okay. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 in these two boxes. Yeah, 3 in this column. No 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 and 8. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need 8 here. And I need a... Well, 8. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 here. Yeah. 2. Need a 2 here. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the third row. So no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 in this big square. Could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in this column. 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those two boxes, 5 and the 6. Here also 2 missing numbers in this column. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Well, let me mark those. 2 missing numbers in this column. Third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 9, 3, 9. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 9 goes there. Need a 9 here. 9. 9, 9. Yeah. Alright. Then need a 5 here. 5, 8. Need a 9 here. 8 here. Three in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column with 3. Now only 2 places left for the 3. Could be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here 3 in the column next, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. And all the 3's are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright, 7. Need a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. Alright, how about the 2 now? Nope, 2 cannot. Continue. How about the 6 then? Well. Come on. Need a 9, 9, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 8 is missing. 6 is missing. 4, 8, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. Well, 4 in the last column, 4 in the middle column. Sorry, 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 missing numbers now. In this big square, 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in the first row, so no 4 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So the other 2 missing numbers are in this big square are the numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Here we have also 2 missing numbers. I believe the pair 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Then, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. And how about here 2 and the 9. I'm missing 2 and the 9. Yeah, and how about here 2 and 8 is missing here. 2 and 8. And we have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes and there. 9 in this row. 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. I believe the 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this middle column for number 5 then. 5 in the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. One box left in this column. For number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. For the 9, we have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes, and they are finished in 15 minutes. Almost the same time as the previous Sudoku. Maybe a little bit faster. So, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.